The Mobius 1964 Mercury Comet Pro Touring. So, here is what I'm going to attempt. Alright, move that box out of the way. And as we can see on the bench, we have unboxed the kit. So, what I'm thinking, and what I'm going to try for, and I got this bright idea, that on July 4th, it's our 250th birthday of America. The land of the free, the home of the brave. And for that, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a patriotic version of this kit. So I just started looking at stuff. I started looking at, actually I had the rear end here. And I don't know if I'm going to do Pro Touring. I may use some of these 3D printed wheels and tires. I'm more into that than Pro Touring. I don't know how the suspension's going to work out. I got some ideas for paint, but I'm going to try to build this in the few hours I have every day, which is short, but then I'm off on Friday. So, with being off on Friday and trying to get this done, I may be able to do it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on getting the body prepped and primed so I can be getting that painted while I'm trying to assemble the rest of this. But I thought it'd be kind of a neat thing, you know. I'm messing around with this stuff before I get back out and work on my real 55 Chevy. So I thought, you know what, this week's going to be hot as hell. We might as well build us a little patriotic birthday present to our country. So until I make some progress, I will get back to you. Talk to you in a little bit.